So a while back I decided to have a go at making a chicken curry at my home, and so far it turned out pretty good, but I decided to show you my detailed instructions on how I actually made it. So here's how it went. So I took at least one cup of rice and one chicken. So when I boiled them on like low to medium heat, both of them till like they're boiled. So there's a clip of me actually putting rice inside of a pot and letting it to boil till it's boiled like it should. And after the chicken was boiled, I just tore the meat apart, like cutting it and leaving the rice boiled so they can cool off before I actually mixed them. While they were like cooling down, I decided to like put inside of a separate bowl to make the sauce. I have a little bit of ketchup and a little bit of curry powder, which I should have put a little bit more, but I didn't know how it's gonna taste, so I did put it in afterwards. I decided to also throw up one part of parsley. One parsley is enough, should be enough for most of it, and I can also could have used like tomato sauce, but I didn't have any, so and the ketchup was like getting old in my fridge, so might as well like use it in one way or another. And I also added a little bit of oil just so I can stir it around. Salt and pepper as well, and I mixed it up so I can actually, actually add the meat and the rice together, so I can mix it up with the sauce. I know it's not the correct way to make curry, but since this is my way and my attempt, because I never made one before, so yeah, it could be forgiven. You know, a little bit of an attempt doesn't hurt anyone, so yeah. So I decided to mix it up till all of it becomes together. As I said, I did add a bit more curry afterwards, but for a clip, it's not gonna be that noticeable. So in another bowl, I added the rice and the chicken and the curry sauce, which I actually prepared, and I mixed all of it together so I can form into this nice meal that I decided to make. I mean, like after mixing it for a while until it reached a nice color, I decided to like leave it aside and grab a dish so I can like decorate it for a YouTube thumbnail. And it turned out pretty good, aside from like the taste, which was nice, but I always felt like there was something missing. But I'm looking to revisit this recipe again since it was my first time making it and it was a nice attempt at it as well. But I will do a redo the recipe in the future, so hopefully I'll make it into perfection as it should. But in the meantime, for a first time attempt, it was not bad.